So if you saw my previous video twice, that was not on accident. It was on purpose. I intend to post content both in English and in Spanish, trying to do my best to explain what is happening in each video in both languages. Now, for those of you who saw my video 3 times, you're the real MVP. Thank you. So now let's get to it. On today's video, we're able to see how to use the Ridgid NaviTrack Scout Locator. And let me let you know, this is an awesome tool to track your camera inside the sewer line. But it only works best with the 131 C40 See Snake, which is being picked up while being inside the sewer lateral. In this video, we see that there are roots obstructing the drain. Let me know in the comments what comes next.